This is FlipTV. The government of Benin says it has successfully crushed a coup attempt staged by a group of soldiers in the early hours of 7th December 2025. Interior Minister Alassane Seydou, in a televised address, confirmed that loyal troops remain committed to their oath and move swiftly to restore order. According to him, the mutineers attempted to destabilize state institutions, but loyalist forces were able to retain control and foil the plot. Earlier that morning, rebel soldiers appeared on state TV, announcing the suspension of the constitution and claiming they had removed President Patrice Talon from power. Eyewitnesses reported gunshots, and some journalists at the national broadcaster were held hostage during the takeover. A presidential advisor later told the BBC that President Talon is safe, while French diplomats denied rumors that he had sought refuge at the French embassy in Cotonou. Following the failed coup, helicopters were seen patrolling the skies over Cotonou, and several major roads were blocked by heavy military presence. According to authorities, the coup was led by Lt-Col Pascal Tigri, who accused President Talon of mishandling the worsening security crisis in northern Benin, where jihadist militants linked to ISIS and Al-Qaeda have continued to push southward. The rebel also criticized cuts in healthcare, tax increases, and restrictions on political activities. President Talon, 67, a businessman famously known as the King of Cotton, is expected to step down next year after completing his second term. He has endorsed Finance Minister Romuald Wagdagni as his preferred successor. Meanwhile, ECOWAS and the African Union have condemned the attempted coup, reaffirming their zero-tolerance stance against unconstitutional change of government. This incident follows a wave of coups across West Africa, including in Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, Guinea, and most recently, Guinea-Bissau, raising serious concerns about regional stability. We'll continue to monitor developments in Benin as the situation unfolds. For trusted updates and global news stories, keep watching FlipTV News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.